Monday. We start with a TVJ Sports follow-up, as with the recent death of 2000 Guineas winner Commander 2, calls are being made once again for the establishment of an equine clinic at Caymanas Park.
On Saturday, trainer Patrick Taylor told TVJ Sports that 2000 Guineas winner Commander 2 died during surgery to correct an injury he picked up on the day of the derby after being administered Lasix, and he seemed concerned that something went amiss.
Apparently, the breathing apparatus went amiss. He wasn't breathing, there was no pulse, and they were pressing do all they could, CPR, the way they know it. As you know, something went wrong.
The attending equine veterinary surgeon, Dr. Jonathan White from the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus, admits that Commander 2 stopped breathing on the operating table and died as a result of anesthetic complications. Surgery was being done on Commander 2 on Friday night to rectify a displaced lateral condylar fracture of the right front cannon bone, and at least one screw was put in place with 2 more to go when everything changed.
So surgery was going well. We did notice when we were taking x-rays, because what we do is we take numbers of x-rays to make sure we're in the right place. All right. We did notice that that his reflexes started to go down, so his ocular reflexes, and then he did have some problems breathing, and then we were looking for his pulse, and I think his pulse stopped as well. So
Dr. White, who also performed a successful surgery earlier this year on the Anthony Baba Nunez trained Patriarch, admits that the conditions under which he and his team operated on Patriarch were different from Commander 2's surgery.
We don't have a dedicated surgery here in Jamaica. Last time we were here, we did surgery in an air-conditioned tent, which was actually worked out quite well. Because it was quite comfortable and so on. This time we worked in a facility where is not purpose built for equine surgery, but we certainly worked quite tirelessly over about 3 to 4 days to try and get it suitable for doing equine surgery, and I think we got it to a level where it was certainly functional.
Dr. Graham Brown, a veterinary surgeon and a member of the Board of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited (SVREL), also helped to perform surgery on both Commander 2 and Patriarch. He says it has been suggested that certain areas of Caymanas Park be converted into a usable area for a makeshift equine clinic. However, he points out that the solution is having a real equine clinic and not in the 5th year of SVREL's takeover as stipulated in the agreement with the government.
I'm trying to see, along with others in the company, to see what we can do to create a facility that we can use now to stop our horses from perishing. We have a serious problem in getting enough horses for many of our races, especially the quality races, the A-class races. Many of them are falling through.
Commander 2 won the 2000 Guineas on April 15. Another classic contestant, Western legend, died from colic on May 7. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.